Welcome to this tutorial presented by oraclecoach.com. This is Claire Rajan and this is part 2 of querying a table. In this segment, I will show you how to use arithmetic operators to create arithmetic expressions. The basic arithmetic operators that can be used in SQL are plus, minus, multiplication and division. An arithmetic expression is created using column names, numeric constants and arithmetic operators. I'm going to first bring up SQL Developer. Here I have a connection with a database called C1. I'm connected as the user HR through this connection. I'm going to expand tables so that you can have a look at the different tables in the schema of the user HR. Now in this segment I will be writing a number of queries based on the employees table. I've just selected the employees table and what you can see is the data in the employees table. Now once I'm going to scroll so that you can see one specific column of the employees table. The column is the salary column. Now the salary column represents the monthly salary of an employee. So for the first employee whose job ID is AdPress, his monthly salary is 24,200. Now I'm going to return to the SQL worksheet window where I will be able to write my queries. The first example would be a query where I will be using or creating an arithmetic expression. I'm going to retrieve the first name of the employees, their monthly salary, which is stored in the table, and the annual salary, which will be created by multiplying the salary by 12 from employees. Observe salary times 12 is what I call as an arithmetic expression. It will be a value that is derived by multiplying this monthly salary by the numeric constant 12. I just executed the statement and observe the output has the first names, the monthly salaries of the employees and their annual salaries. Now in the next type of example, what I'm going to do is modify this arithmetic expression in such a way where I would want to retrieve the annual salary after increasing the monthly salary by 100. So what I've just written is salary plus 100 times 12. Now when evaluating an arithmetic expression, Oracle follows an operator precedence. The operator precedence is multiplication and division is done before addition and subtraction. When you have an expression that has got both multiplication and division, evaluation is from left to right. Now if I had to see the annual salary after increasing the salary by 100, this type of query will give me an inaccurate result because Oracle will first perform the multiplication and then the resultant value will be added to the salary. Now what I would have to do is force Oracle to change the order of execution, and this can be done by using parentheses. I am parenthesizing that part of the expression that needs to be evaluated first, which is salary plus 100, and then the resultant value is to be multiplied by 12 to create the annual salary. I'm now going to execute this statement. Observe that this value is now different from what it was when I just multiplied salary by 12. Now I just showed you a number of different examples where I created arithmetic expressions using column names, numeric constants, as well as arithmetic operators. In the next type of query, I will demonstrate. I will write a query that references a numeric constant. A numeric constant is simply a number that appears in a select statement. Now let's say I write select 5, comma, first underscore name from employees. On executing the statement, observe there are two columns that have been displayed. One column is called 5, the other is the first name column. Observe that within the column 5, the number 5 has been repeated for all the 107 rows there are in the employees table. Now 5 in this example is what I call as a numeric constant. When a numeric constant appears in a query, it repeats itself n number of times for the number of rows which are in the table. In the next example, I'm going to replace the 5 with the word hello. What I've done is enclosed the word hello in single quotes to create a character string or a character constant. Executing the statement, observe that there are two columns in the output. The first column is called hello, the second column called first name, and within the column hello, the word hello is repeated 107 times for the number of rows which are in the table. So once again, a character constant when repeated or when defined in a query will repeat itself n number of times for the number of rows which are in the table. The next type of example that I will show you will demonstrate the concatenation operator. Now I'm going to replace the comma with the concatenation operator, which is the double pipe symbol. The concatenation operator is used to combine strings. Here I'm trying to combine the word hello with the first name of the employee. On using the concatenation operator, you will get one resultant column with the word hello and the first name combined. Observe over here, the word hello and the person's name has been combined to create one string. So that's what the concatenation does. It combines individual strings to create one string. Now I'm going to modify this output slightly so that what I can do is get a space between the word hello and the first name. I've written hello, which is the character constant, combined with a single quote, with a space within single quotes, combined with the first name from the employees table. Notice that there is now a blank space between the word hello and the person's first name. Finally, instead of a space, what I'm going to do is write a character string such as earns an annual salary of, and I'm going to replace the column first name with salary times 12. I'm also going to replace the word hello with first name. The select statement I've written is select first name, so I'm going to display the first names combined with the words earns an annual salary of, combined with the annual salary value that is created by multiplying the salary by 12. Now, for a better, more readable output, I'm going to include a space inside the single quote so that there is a space between the word Stephen and earns. Observe, the output now has a space and looks a lot more readable, and in this example, what I just showed you was how to combine a column with a character constant, as well as I showed you the use of arithmetic operators. In this tutorial, I showed you how to write arithmetic expressions. I spoke about numeric and character constants, as well as the concatenation operator that is used to combine strings. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. You can visit our website at www.oraclecoach.com for more tutorials, articles and videos, and other resources on Oracle related topics. Thanks for watching and listening. We hope to see you again in another tutorial.